Giga-Tires.com. You know, that online tire store that promises fast delivery, local installation, and even flexible financing options. But the big question is it legit? Let's find out together. First, we checked out their website history. Using WOIS, we found that Giga-Tires.com was registered way back in July 2015. Yep, that's over 10 years ago. A website that's been around this long usually means it's reliable and well-maintained. That's always a good start, right? Next, we looked at their social media presence. They're on Facebook, Instagram, and even YouTube. Being active on social media is a big plus because it shows they actually engage with customers. You can reach out, ask questions, and get a feel for how they handle their community. It definitely helps build trust. We also tried to find out who's behind Giga-Tires. At first, their website didn't say much, but after a bit of digging, we found a news article mentioning Adam Barker as the CEO. Knowing who runs the company adds a layer of transparency. And honestly, it makes me feel a little more confident about buying from them. Customer support is another important factor. Giga-Tires offers live chat on its website and can be contacted through social media too. That's great because if anything goes wrong, you can get help quickly. Good customer support always makes shopping online much less stressful. Now, let's talk about reviews. This is where things get a bit mixed. On their own website, they claim a 4.5-star rating with over 12,000 reviews. Sounds good, right? But we wanted to double-check with more neutral sources. On Trustpilot, they have a 4.3-star rating, which is decent. But we didn't stop there. We also checked Reddit, and here's the honest truth. Reddit had mixed opinions. Some people said they got tires at really low prices and had smooth transactions. But others complained about poor customer service, missing orders, and unfulfilled warranties. A few even mentioned that the tires might be older stock, or that Giga-Tires mainly handles bulk orders for places like Walmart. So what does all this mean? Well, Giga-Tires.com does seem to be a legitimate website. They have a long history, an active social media presence, and transparent leadership. But customer experiences vary. Some people had great experiences, while others ran into issues with service and orders. My advice? Proceed with caution, especially if you're making a big purchase. Double-check delivery options, warranty details, and maybe even reach out to customer service before placing an order. Alright, that's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next